First reading, Acts chapter 22 verse 30 to chapter 23 verse 6 to 11. But on the next day, meaning to know more diligently for what cause he was accused by the Jews, he loosed him, and commanded the priests to come together, and all the council. And bringing forth Paul, he set him before them. And Paul, knowing that the one part were Sadducees, and the other Pharisees, cried out in the council, Men, brethren, I am a Pharisee, the son of Pharisees. Concerning the hope and resurrection of the dead I am called in question. And when he had so said, there arose a dissension between the Pharisees and the Sadducees, and the multitude was divided. For the Sadducees say that there is no resurrection, neither angel, nor spirit, but the Pharisees confess both. And there arose a great cry. And some of the Pharisees rising up, strove, saying, We find no evil in this man. What if a spirit hath spoken to him, or an angel? And when there arose a great dissension, the tribune, fearing lest Paul should be pulled in pieces by them, commanded the soldiers to go down, and to take him by force from among them, and to bring him into the castle. And the night following, the Lord standing by him, said, Be constant, for as thou hast testified of me in Jerusalem, so must thou bear witness also at Rome. Psalms chapter 16 verse 1 to 2a and 5, 7 to 11. The inscription of a title to David himself. Preserve me, O Lord, for I have put trust in thee. I have said to the Lord, Thou art my God, for thou hast no need of my goods. The Lord is the portion of my inheritance and of my cup, it is thou that wilt restore my inheritance to me. I will bless the Lord, who hath given me understanding, moreover my reins also have corrected me even till night. I set the Lord always in my sight, for he is at my right hand, that I be not moved. Therefore my heart hath been glad, and my tongue hath rejoiced, moreover my flesh also shall rest in hope. Because thou wilt not leave my soul in hell, nor wilt then give thy Holy One to see corruption. Thou hast made known to me the ways of life, thou shalt fill me with joy with thy countenance, at thy right hand are delights even to the end. Gospel, John chapter 17 verse 20 to 26. And not for them only do I pray, but for them also who through their word shall believe in me. That they all may be one, as thou, Father, in me, and I in thee, that they also may be one in us, that the world may believe that thou hast sent me. And the glory which thou hast given me, I have given to them, that they may be one, as we also are one. I in them, and thou in me, that they may be made perfect in one, and the world may know that thou hast sent me, and hast loved them, as thou hast also loved me. Father, I will that where I am, they also whom thou hast given me may be with me, that they may see my glory which thou hast given me, because thou hast loved me before the creation of the world. Just Father, the world hath not known thee, but I have known thee, and these have known that thou hast sent me. And I have made known thy name to them, and will make it known, that the love wherewith thou hast loved me, may be in them, and I in them.